In Projectworx, you can easily allocate your worked hours to project and work packages in two different ways, in the calendar and in the time recording form. The calendar offers a traditional daily view with time blocks displayed along with their start and end times. When you open a time entry by double-clicking, you can see the information contained within it. The entry is associated with a project, a work package within that project, and possibly a task. The convenience here is that when creating a new time entry, you don't need to manually fill in these fields. If you have been assigned as a task editor, that task will appear in the calendar on the right in the list. You can quickly see which tasks you need to complete and can book time against them by dragging the entry into the calendar and dropping it at the desired day and time. This action automatically generates a time entry at that time, pre-filled with the task's data. The project and the work package are transferred to the time entry, as is the task itself. All you need to do is adjust the number of hours and save. The time entry can also be easily moved, shortened, or extended via drag and drop in the calendar. The worked time is now reflected in both the associated project and the work package, as well as the task. This prevents manual misallocations and significantly speeds up your time recording. If you want to create a time entry and no task has been set up for it, you can check the work package list by clicking on Assigned Work Packages. This will collapse the task list and display the work package list instead. Here you can quickly see all the work packages for which you've been allocated as a resource in the Gantt chart. There is a separate short video that demonstrates this resource allocation. Here again, you can drag the row you want to book in the calendar view, creating a time entry. As you can see, the project and the work package are set now, while the task field remains empty, since you're booking against the work package and not against the task. If neither a task nor a work package assignment exists for you, you can still manually create a calendar entry if you know exactly what to book it against. Right-clicking opens the context menu and you can select New Appointment. In this window, all fields can be filled out manually. However, as project planning progresses and the required resources are allocated in the Gantt chart, manual entries should become less necessary, since work packages and tasks are displayed in the right-hand lists, making it easy to book against them. A calendar entry can also be copied via the context menu if you want to book the same entry on another day. For this, you can use Copy Appointment, position the cursor on the other day and select Paste Appointment. The entry can also be deleted via the context menu. Time tracking can also be done optionally in the time recording form. Here you'll find the same data as in the calendar, but displayed in a tabular format. The days are represented as columns and the rows represent the projects, work packages and tasks against which time has been booked. The cells show the number of hours allocated. This allows you to quickly see which projects and work packages have been booked recently, and you can easily add hours for the current day by typing them into the day column. In this form, you only record how many hours have been spent on a work package or task, not the specific time of day it occurred. This is the key difference from the calendar view, where a day is represented by a series of consecutive hourly blocks. If tasks are used within the organization, check the Show Tasks checkbox. This will also display a task column in the hours list, making it easier to differentiate between bookings against work packages and bookings against tasks that belong to a work package. In this hours list, you will only find work packages and tasks against which you have booked time during the displayed time frame. If you want to book against a new work package, not currently shown here, you can use the Assigned Tasks or Assigned Work Packages lists, as already introduced in the calendar. Using the plus symbol, you can create a time entry for it. From that point on, this work package will also be displayed in the hours list, allowing you to create new entries directly within it. If you need to change details of a time entry, such as the subject, you can open the entry by clicking the edit icon. Within this window, you will also find the delete button. However, a time entry can also be deleted directly from the list by simply clearing the field.